A very good morning, students. Let us begin. I'll start with the sixth chapter. Let's explain the brief answers and the short notes. Already we have explained four and fifth chapter. This is fifth. This is sixth chapter and seventh chapter. Also, I'll be explaining notes. Objectives of the Indian National Congress. Why this Indian National Congress was formed and what were these objectives? Indian National Congress was established in 1885 with the following objectives: to bring together people of India on one common platform. So they wanted to bring, first point you keep in mind, they wanted to bring people together. To create a feeling of unity among them, irrespective of religion, means not to consider religion, caste, race, language, but bring them united. To provide opportunity to study, to understand and one's others problems and views. So first point what we studied, they wanted to bring Indians on one platform. Second, they wanted to create unity on the basis irrespective of caste, religion, language. And here third, to provide opportunity to understand one other's problem, means ek dusro ke problem. Then to increase the feeling of unity among the people, उन्हें फीलिंग ऑफ यूनिटी जागरूक करना और इंक्रीज करना. टू टेक मेजर्स फॉर द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ कंट्री व्हेन इफ अ कंट्री इज फेसिंग टू डिफरेंट crisis, so how to uplift a country, so to make those, to take some necessary measures. Anti-partition movement with the motive to create a divide between the Hindus and Muslims. Lord Curzon divided the province of Bengal in Muslim majority to the East Bengal and Hindu majority to the West Bengal in 1905. So partition of, in short you can write this point, a partition of Bengal took place. Lord Curzon divided Bengal provinces. Majority Muslims came towards east and Hindus came towards west. So that becomes first point. The day of partition 16th October was observed as National Mourning Day. So it was which day was observed? All over India, protest meetings were organized to condemn the decision of the government. So whatever decision was taken by the government, to refuse to revolt against those, that is why these meetings were held. Singings of Vande Mataram and Raksha Bandhan programs were arranged to mark the protest. Government-run schools and colleges were boycotted in large number by the students. Sensing the intensity, it's not necessary, don't write this 6 point, you can write up to 5th point only. Next comes 4-point program. Now what were the 4 points program? That is, we already know Swadeshi, Swaraj, boycott and national education. So in the session of 1906, the Indian National Congress, the 4-point program was unanimously accepted. एक मत होके सबने accept किया. Swadeshi, to make use of capital resource manpower in our country so then it becomes self-sufficient. So whatever it is available in our country, in our area only, that only, not to take anything from outside. So Swadeshi means Indian products. Boycott. It was decided to boycott foreign goods as the first step and boycott foreign rule be the next step. So first of all, stop buying the foreign goods, foreign products. So once we stop this, and then next step is what? Not to follow their rules also. It would be an attack to the roots of the British imperialism. Definitely when we'll stop buying those things, उनका नुकसान हो जाएगा. If we stop buying their products, it will be lost for them. So slowly उनके जो roots है वो कमजोर होते जाएंगे. Swaraj, the final objective is to attain the freedom. So this was the final motive, was to have Swaraj, self-rule. And national education, to impart national education which will create pride for the nation among people. एक proud feeling will become once we conquered this. So national education should be started. Give reason. In the struggle for independence, a sense of identity was awakened among the Indians. Now how we got, हम जागरूक कैसे हुए? Western education familiarized the educated Indians with the modern values. So Western education made educated Indians realize, if you don't understand familiarize was, Indian educated realize the modern values such as equality, liberty, democracy and nationalism. The Asiatic Society at Bengal edited and published hundreds of manuscripts in Sanskrit, Persian and other Indian languages. The realization that India had a rich, when they studied, you can write down here, Indian educated studied about the country and they realized about the rich and ancient heritage, aroused the feeling of national pride. And this gave sense of identity, that India is there, identity, it has something, कुछ है इंडिया में. Two groups were formed in the Congress. Now we have already familiar with moderates group and extremists group. Though at a slow pace, the contribution of Indian National Congress was consistent in the initial stage. Though it was slow, धीरे से contribution कर रहे थे Indian National Congress, अपना बहुत सारा कोशिश लगा रहे थे. But the extremists felt the intensify the freedom struggle. So वो धीरे धीरे से चल रहा था. तो extremists को लगा it should go little faster. Moderates and extremists were unanimous about the objectives of the Congress. So they both were actually together. They accepted. But they had difference regarding in the methods and दोनों ने एक मत होके जो भी objectives थे कांग्रेस के, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस they accepted. But दोनों के तरीके अलग थे. एक थे that was they wanted to go silently. But the others wanted to have struggle, severe struggle. The moderates insisted the constitutional measures. Insisted constitutional measures, whereas extremists wanted to adopt severe methods. The tension between these two groups increased during the Surat session, and this led to the formation of two groups. Lord Curzon decided to partition Bengal. Bengal was a large province, so under the pretext of administrative convenience, so he told what, that to have proper administration I will divide Bengal into two parts. Accordingly, Muslim majority was to the east and Hindus were to the west. The real motive was to create difference, divide between Hindus and Muslim. उनका असली मकसद क्या था, to divide Hindus and Muslim and thereby weaken the nationalist movement. उन्हें वो unity कमज़ोर करना था, इसलिए उन्होंने वो divide किया. So here is chapter number 7 now. Which restrictions were put up on the blacks in the South Africa according to the declaration of 1906? In 1906, government declared that the blacks in the South Africa should compulsory carry an identity card. This restriction, so South Africa में जो भी blacks थे, black people मतलब काले गोरे लोग जो रहते, so black people उनको एक कायदा बनाया गया कि उन्होंने उनको identity card compulsory डालना है गले में. So that one rule was there. So this restriction was imposed on their freedom. Where did Gandhiji launch the first Satyagraha? The first Satyagraha in India was launched by Gandhiji at Champaran at Bihar in 1917. Which officers gave orders to firing in Jallianwala Bagh? General Dyer gave orders of firing in Jallianwala Bagh. So this is one sentence. Give reason. Rowlatt Act was opposed by the people of India. The Indian Rowlatt Act was enacted to suppress the growing discontent among the Indians and suggest measures about it. So there was lot of conflicts going on. Indians were not happy, and that is the reason this act was imposed, enacted. This act authorized, उन्होंने क्या authority दिया government को, to arrest any Indian and imprison him without trial or arrest warrant. तो warrant मतलब अगर पुलिस आपको गिरफ्तार करने आते हैं और उनके पास अगर अरेस्ट वारंट नहीं है तो वो आपको गिरफ्तार नहीं कर सकेंगे. बट ये लॉ क्या कर रहा था कि कोई भी हो, उनमें ना वारंट नहीं भी होगा तो भी चलेगा. यू जस्ट नीड टू होल्ड एंड पुट इनटू द जेल इंडियंस को. सो देयर वाज नो प्रोविजन फॉर द अपील. उन्हें अपील करने के लिए, रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए, हाई कोर्ट करने के लिए कोई अपील रखा नहीं गया था अगेंस्ट देयर पनिशमेंट गिवन टू दिस एक्ट. इफ दे आर पनिश्ड दे हैव टू एक्सेप्ट द पनिशमेंट, दे कांट अपील. जनरली क्या होता है, व्हेन वी डोंट लाइक द जजमेंट, अगर हम केस लड़ रहे और हमें वो न्याय नहीं मिला तो हम हाई कोर्ट में जाके और एक बार केस लड़ सकते. अगर हाई कोर्ट का भी फैसला हमें नहीं पसंद आया तो वी कैन गो टू द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. Then the Supreme Court decision will be the final decision. So here what was told, what this act gave permission to the government to arrest anyone without any warrant. So and then they even can't appeal for the against the punishment. अगर ये punishment है तो नहीं, ये punishment होना चाहिए. So they can't appeal. So this, due to such unjust provision in the Rowlatt Act, it was opposed by the people in India and it was called as Black Act. Gandhiji suspended non-cooperation movement. Now we saw Chauri Chaura, Gorakhpur. In February 1922, the police opened fire on a peaceful procession at Chauri Chaura. A peaceful procession was going on in the Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. In this relation to this, English mobs set up fire police stations in Chauri Chaura, and 22 policemen, including one officer, were killed in this incident. So Gandhiji, actually the procession was going in the silent way, but suddenly firing started and this burned, and that is the reason Gandhiji was hurt by this incident. So he decided to suspend the non-cooperation movement. Indians boycotted the Simon Commission. The reforms introduced by Montagu Chelmsford Act in 1919 was unsatisfactory. So whatever act थे वो satisfactory समाधानकारक नहीं थे. It created discontent among the Indians. The British appointed the Simon Commission under the chairmanship of Sir John Simon in 1927. तो ये जो reforms किए गए थे तो they did not like this, and that is the reason what this government did. They appointed another commission, Simon Commission, under the whose chairmanship? Sir John Simon. And that is the reason Indians boycotted the Simon Commission. Khilafat movement was started in India. The ruler of Turkey was regarded as a Khalifa or a religious head of the Muslim all over the world. So he was the ruler of Turkey. राजा था वो ruler का टर्की का. He was ruling there and he was regarded as the religious head. मुस्लिम का वो लोग उन्हें हेड मानते थे. To get the support of Indian Muslims in the First World War, मुस्लिम्स का इंडियन मुस्लिम्स को का सपोर्ट चाहिए था ब्रिटिशर्स को. तो फर्स्ट वॉर में सो ब्रिटिशर्स गिव फॉल्स अश्योरेंस, झूठा आश्वासन देना, फॉल्स अश्योरेंस ऑफ नॉट हार्मिंग द खलीफास एम्पायर आफ्टर वॉर. उन्होंने ऐसा विश्वास दिलाया कि हम उनके एम्पायर को, उनके किंगडम को कुछ हानि नहीं पहुंचाएंगे. बट दे डिड नॉट कीप देयर वर्ड्स. इट कॉज रेसेंटमेंट अमंग द इंडियंस मुस्लिम्स. सो दे स्टार्टेड खिलाफत मूवमेंट. Explain the philosophy of Satyagraha. Satyagraha, novel teaching. Technique means intense insistence of truth. The aim of Satyagraha was to make unjust person aware about the truth and justice and also transform his views. एक मकसद philosophy, what is the teaching of Satyagraha? कि एक अनजस्ट पर्सन जो इसके बारे में जानता नहीं उसको जागरूक करना और उसके दिमाग को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना विद डिफरेंट व्यूज. अ सत्याग्रही शुड नेवर यूज वायलेंस एंड अनट्रूथ मीन्स सत्य मार्ग से सत्याग्रह करने वाला कोई अहिंसा, दैट इज व्हाट, नॉन वायलेंस, हिंसा नहीं इस्तेमाल करेगा, अहिंसा, नॉन वायलेंस. व्हाई वाज स्वराज पार्टी फॉर्म? द मेंबर्स ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस liked Motilal Nehru and Chintrayana put an idea to contest election and enter legislative assembly and provision, and that is the reason this Swaraj party was formed. I hope these chapters are clear to you, student. Please go through the chapters and study well for your exams. Thank you.